Desktop and laptop computers, tablets, smartphones, game consoles, smart TVs, you're constantly streaming large amounts of data from the internet, and you depend on a fast, reliable connection to make it happen around your home. Wi-Fi is great, but there may be rooms in your home where your Wi-Fi signal becomes weak or drops out altogether. For devices like smart TVs, game consoles, and desktop computers, you could use a wired internet connection, but who wants to mess with running network cables into every room in order to have a high-speed, reliable connection? Now you don't have to. Thanks to NETGEAR Powerline Adapters, you can extend your wired and Wi-Fi connection to any room in your home, even if it's far away from your router. Powerline Adapters use your home's electrical wiring to create a seamless, wired or Wi-Fi network anywhere. Just plug a Powerline adapter into any outlet and connect it to your existing Wi-Fi router. Then plug the second Powerline adapter into an outlet in any room to create an extended internet connection. You can enjoy wired data rates up to 1.2 gigabits per second, or use a Powerline device with built-in Wi-Fi to create a new, stronger Wi-Fi connection in any room. And best of all, once you've connected one Powerline adapter to your home's router, you can add up to 15 more, so you can connect in any room you want. You can even use Powerline adapters to move the current location of your Wi-Fi router to a more central location, so your Wi-Fi can cover more of your home instead of being tied to the location of your cable or DSL modem. No more running long Ethernet cables, endless buffering, or stalled downloads. Now in every room, you can enjoy the fastest internet connections possible, just the way you like it. Find out what you've been missing. NETGEAR Powerline.
Wi-Fi congestion? Free up your Wi-Fi and say goodbye to buffering. Zyxel Powerline transforms existing power outlets into a network. Simply plug in your Zyxel Powerline, then connect wire-capable devices via Ethernet, such as desktops for lag-free meetings, smart TVs for continuous Ultra HD video streams, and gaming systems for real-time online gaming. Freeing up your Wi-Fi for laptops, tablets, and phones for faster, uninterrupted connectivity. It's as simple as plug and play. Zyxel Powerline, an effortless solution that keeps your devices connected.
PH6 is a wide gigabit Powerline adapter dedicated to European and North American homes. With the latest HomePlug AV2 technology, PH6 uses power lines that can offer a transmission rate of up to 1000 megabits per second. With gigabit ports, PH6 allows you to watch HD TV and play online games, even in apartments with poor wall penetration, wireless signal, and without deployment of Ethernet cables. As a new generation network product, it has very easy installation. Your TV, PC, or game player can connect to the internet immediately once PH6 is powered on. The plug and play feature frees you from having to set it up. Designed with an integrated power socket, PH6 will not decrease the number of power sockets in your family, since it can provide one for the one it's already occupied, relieving you from the trouble of purchasing new power sockets. PH6 can support a power capacity as high as 3600 watts. PH6 is designed with a filter isolation feature, which can effectively prevent interference from other electrical appliances. Most network products operate 24 hours a day regardless of the internet connection need, causing energy waste. However, the intelligent detection feature of the PH6 can address this problem. When the connected clients power off or disconnect from PH6, PH6 automatically goes into sleep mode. In this mode, power consumption is as low as 0.38 watts, 85% lower than that of in working mode. PH6 is your top choice for home networking.
Powerline is a simple way to extend your network through your home's electrical wiring. However, popular online activities like FaceTime, online gaming, and 4K HD streaming are all too demanding for even 500 megabits Powerline adapters to handle. TP-Link's new AV1200 Powerline kit is designed to run highly demanding applications smoothly. Using new HomePlug AV2 technology, the AV1200 delivers data transfer speeds up to 1200 megabits for incredibly fast performance. With AV1200 Powerline adapters, you can simply plug and play to turn any power socket into a high-speed internet connection. The AV1200 is also equipped with MIMO capability and beamforming, letting it use all three power wires in your home to create extra data paths for faster throughput and more stable connections. It can even handle the most demanding online applications like 4K streaming and online gaming at the same time. Gigabit Ethernet ports let the Powerline adapter connect directly to up to 3 devices for blazing fast wire.
I recently moved into a new home and I needed my internet accessible throughout the house, but the prospect of placing wires everywhere or setting up a wireless connection was daunting. Luckily, D-Link make a really easy solution that uses the already existing power sockets in your home, so the work is already done for you. It's called Powerline. Powerline works by using your existing electrical circuit in your home. Simply by plugging a Powerline device into an existing power point and connecting it to your router, you have created your home network. Now just plug in as many D-Link Powerline adapters as you need. No hassle, no wires, and best of all, Powerline's simple design means no unnecessary setup is required. Just plug in and go. It's perfect for home networking, media centres, gaming consoles, smart TV, network printers, in fact anything that uses the internet or a network. With Powerline, every power socket is a potential network connection. No longer do you have the problem of routing Ethernet cable throughout the house, or limited signal strength from a wireless network. Previously, walls or other wireless frequencies could disturb your wireless network, and getting a wired network connection to your TV or gaming console could be difficult, as your router is often near where your ISP first installed it. With Powerline, just plug in a D-Link Powerline adapter and you have another wired connection. You can also have a wireless access point by adding the Powerline wireless extender. It's the easiest way to create your home network. It's also lightning quick and perfect for moving large files or streaming movies. It's the home network you never knew you had.